For the Aam Aadmi Party, Delhi is just the beginning. Their emissaries have now been sent to various states and they are now spotting potential candidates. Political leaders are also making a beeline to join the Debutant Party, and Arvind Kejriwal himself wants bureaucrats with clean image to join in. Is this an indication of his national ambitions?
After conquering the capital, the Aam Aadmi Party has set its ambitions higher, and they are now pitching their agenda for 2014.
After surprising the entire country with their astounding success and taking charge of the national capital, the Aam Aadmi Party is spreading its tentacles far and wide.
For the national election, Arvind Kejriwal will be the convener of the party, and a 23-member national executive is set to chalk out the 2014 strategy. The focus is likely to be on increasing the presence with panchayats in villages and target key districts.
अभी तो हमारा एम्बिशन ये है कि हम दिल्ली को भ्रष्टाचार मुक्त बनाएं। दिल्ली में जो चीजें हमने कही हैं वो करें। देश को भी हम भ्रष्टाचार मुक्त देखना चाहते हैं। हम चाहते हैं कि हम ऐसे हिंदुस्तान में रहें। वही एम्बिशन है। उस एम्बिशन के लिए जो कुछ जरूरी होगा वो करते रहेंगे। जो हमसे बन पड़ेगा वो हम करते रहेंगे।
With its eyes firmly set on the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, several core members of the party have been assigned the task of charting out a roadmap, along with visiting different states to strengthen their base, as well as sending feelers to like-minded people. Sensing their popularity, several prominent people have also expressed their willingness to join the party, including sacked SP leader Kamal Farooqi and Congress member Alka Lamba. In fact, to expand their regional presence, Aam Aadmi Party has already contacted some like-minded leaders, including anti-nuclear activist Uday Kumar.
The Aam Aadmi Party intends to contest the 2014 Lok Sabha elections from as many constituencies as wherever we have a reasonable party machinery and a good candidate available, we are going to contest the Lok Sabha elections from those constituencies, which will also include constituencies in Tamil Nadu.
Even though suspended Samajwadi Party leader Kamal Farooqi has already sparked off speculation that he will be joining the Aam Aadmi Party in what could be seen as a boost to woo minority community.
Farooqi, are you interested in joining the Aam Aadmi?
Aam Aadmi Party is banking on the euphoria seen in the capital to woo voters across the nation. But it remains to be seen if it will work on the national platform. Bureau Report, Times Now.